Magandang umaga po sa inyo mga minamahal na kapatid, and Happy Easter to all of you. The gift of the resurrection gave the disciples, the apostles of Jesus, those following him, a renewed sense of their vigor and passion. All of them were all spiced enough, energetic, enthusiastic of their mission to preach that indeed the Lord rose from the dead. And we've heard that so meaningfully and evident in the life of Peter after the resurrection, when he stood in the midst of these people during that Pentecost day. But more than the gift of a renewed vigor and a renewed energy, a renewed passion, they were there as well to preach something that is important, to say something meaningful. And that meaningful proclamation is but that good news that Jesus rose again. They were there. God gave them, Jesus gave them this power and this renewed sense of passion to say something that is meaningful. Peter addressed these people as if Peter was telling this Peter who denied Jesus 3 times during the Passion was here standing in the midst of people, telling them that, do you know who is this Jesus whom you led to this passion? Anak ito ng Diyos. God poured over Spirit unto him. God, this is the Son of God. And we were blessed to be his companions so that we can experience and witness that indeed he rose from the dead. He stood to say something that is meaningful with that renewed sense of vigor within him. And in that experience of the resurrection, we heard how Mary Magdalene and the other Mary rushed to the disciples once more to say something that is meaningful. That what the Lord has been promising us, that he will rise from the dead, he fulfilled today. But then it is daunting and sad that towards the end of the gospel, we've heard how the chief priests gave the soldiers a huge amount of money to say something that is fake. Tell these people that his apostles stole his body. Something that is not anymore meaningful. And my dear brothers and sisters, as we begin and as we are at the first days of the Lent of this Easter journey, hopefully it is something that we are all determined to say something that is meaningful, to say something that is life-giving, to say something that inspires and moves the feet of people to rejoice and be in gratitude to God. Wag naman ho sana tayong haharap sa mga tao na tila presensya pa lang natin masamang balita na ang hatid natin. Makikita pa lang ang anino natin, parang ang dali ng maniwala, nako, mabibigo na naman ako sa araw na ito. But the gift of the resurrection promises this renewed sense of vigor for us to say something that is meaningful. What are you determined to speak today? Hopefully it is something that is meaningful. Not that would divide people, not something that would not console them anymore, something that would lead them back to the sadness of their Good Fridays and of their tombs. speak something that is meaningful today. And that meaningful is that Jesus is alive. Jesus journeys with us today. And He is here to give us new life and to promise us His presence and His grace as we go through our Easter days and life.